Class, so my name is Raina A. Harudin. The question is, which type of assessment is used to evaluate students' learning in real-world context? Letter A, authentic assessment. Letter B, standardized assessment. Letter C, traditional assessment. Or letter D, norm reference assessment. So now, let's proceed to 191. The question is, what is the difference between norm reference and citation reference assessment? Letter A, norm reference compares students while creation reference evaluates mastery. B, norm reference evaluates mastery while creation reference compares students. C, norm reference is used for grading, while creation reference is used for feedback. Or letter D, norm reference is used for physical education, while creation reference is used for academic. Okay, you ready? So let's proceed to 192. Question is, which assessment method involves students demonstrating their skills and knowledge? Letter A, performance test. Letter B, written test. Or letter C, multiple choice question. Letter D, true or false question. And now let's proceed to question is, what is the purpose of using assessment data to inform instruction? A, to determine grades. B, to increase learning. C, to adjust instruction and improve students' learning. Or letter D, to evaluate teacher effectiveness. So now, let's proceed to 194. Which type of assessment is used to evaluate student progress over time? Letter A, formative assessment. Letter B, diagnostic assessment. Letter C, summative assessment. Or letter D, progress monitoring. So let's proceed to 195. Question is, what is the benefit of involving students in the assessment process? A, increase teachers' workload. B, enhance students' engagement and motivation. C, reduce students' autonomy. Or letter D, decrease students' learning. And now let's move on to the 196. Which assessment method involves using technology to track students' progress? A, learning management system. B, online assessment platform. C, electronic portfolio. Or letter D, all of the above. And now let's proceed to the number 197. Question is, what is the purpose of standardizing assessment? A, to ensure consistency and fairness. B, to compare students. C, to reduce students' motivation. Or letter D, to increase grading time. Now let's proceed to 198. Question is, which type of assessment is used to evaluate students' learning in a specific domain? A, domain-specific assessment. B, general knowledge assessment. C, standardized testing. Or letter D, norm reference assessment. Okay, let's proceed to 199. Question is, what is the benefit of using a variety of assessment method? A, to increase grading time. B, enhance students' engagement and motivation. C, reduce students' learning. D, limited feedback. And now, let's proceed to the last question. Which assessment method involves evaluating students' learning based on specific criteria? A, checklist. B, rubric. C, rating scales. Or letter D, all of the above.